Yeah, back at it again with another Femme Luxe review. I'm sure this is part 7 now. This is pretty exciting because we're getting more and more goodies. So the top left corner is the white Bardot cowl neck ruched midi dress, also known as Malia, in a size 6. I'm hoping to God this will fit. In the top right corner is the white strapless, ruched midi dress, also known as Salma, in a size 6. The bottom left is the pink satin Bardot flare sleeve Milkmaid dress. I don't know where they came up with Milkmaid, but okay. Also known as Elba in size 6. And then last but not least, in the bottom right corner is the black bow one shoulder midi dress, also known as Stacey, in a size 6. So the first one we've got on is the basically the Bardot ruched dress. I've completely forgot the name of it, sorry. So this one I kind of like because you can obviously, so it sits kind of down to my knees, and it actually it's a really nice fit. Obviously quite clingy. Some people like that, some people don't. But one thing I do like about it is you can sort of sit it to wherever you want without it looking really weird. I mean, obviously, it's looking a bit weird now because of how I'm doing it. But obviously, on the night out, you can literally basically wear it how you want. Obviously, I'm wearing like stockings underneath, but so you might see like some flashes of red come through. But no, this is a really nice fit, I've got to say. It just hugs. I can't see this basically slipping off during the night at any point, purely because it is so elasticated and so so clingy. So I've got to say this is probably a winner. Actually, to be fair, I'd probably rate this like a 9. I'd probably say. Yeah, I won't give it a full 10, but definitely a 9. The next dress is the cowl neck one, and I gotta say, it's a bit weird, you know. I mean, literally, this is just the cowl piece, and the worst thing is, it just keeps turning over. I would obviously want it to sit like this, but see what I mean? It keeps just flooping down. So you want it to stay like this. It doesn't really stay like that. Literally, I'll end up going like this, and it just looks super, super weird. Anyway, so you've got these two arm cap piece things. To be honest, they're just a pain. They look so much better on the model on the website than it actually does, like, on me right about now. From afar, it doesn't look too bad. Like, here, it actually doesn't look too bad. But, so similar to the previous white dress, this is obviously clingy, ruched, and actually really well fitted. Once again, obviously, it comes, like, just down past the knee, but I suppose you can always just mess with it and make it shorter or longer, however you want, really. Back's obviously all nice and just quite plain in terms of it doesn't have any, like, weird dangly bits anywhere. I've got to say, like, the fit is nice. I'm glad to say that the size 6 fit is actually a good fit. Normally it's hit and miss with me, really. But I'm just not feeling these. Like, I feel like they should be slightly, like, a little bit tighter and then drooping. So rather than just, oh, they've just literally done like one little stitch and just sewed on 2 pieces. It's a bit odd. I'm not going to lie. It is a little bit odd, but what can you do? I'll probably rate this piece probably a 6, if I'm honest. Like, it's not the greatest. It's a bit, it's cheap and cheerful, and like always, they always make everything look good on the model, don't they? When you, like, obviously go to buy it and stuff. So yeah, I'd probably say yeah, I'm happy with my rating, actually, because I don't think I would give it more. Like, this is just annoying the hell out of me right now. Like, if it sat nicely and how it should, oh my god, yeah, I would probably give it like an 8 or something, but no, not the way this is going at the moment. Right, on to the next one. Can I just say, I forgot to iron this before I actually, like, went to review it, so I do apologise. That's one thing I was supposed to have done. And once again, I do apologise for wearing a black bra rather than a nude one or a strapless one. Oh well. Anyway, so this is known as the Milkmaid dress. Sorry, I'm trying to, like, tie a bow at the same time as talking, and clearly I can't multitask today. And so obviously I opted for like a bright satin pink one. I don't know why. I really don't. But basically, I thought I'd show you up close front the details. So obviously you've got a cuffed flared sleeve. It's not elasticated in any way or anything. Literally just, that's just how it is. It sits quite nice, like just around the wrist. You've obviously got elastication all around this area here, but this bow doesn't make it loose or tight in any way. Literally this piece here, it's just stitched, so it's more of a show piece rather than it actually doing anything. The split here is massive, like it's a whole split all the way down. So if you've got big, like you've got a big bust, then great, it'll work wonders. If you've got a small bust, then, well, sorry. And obviously it's got a matching ribbon to it as well. Which actually is quite nice. It gives it a bit of oh, my bow's wonky. Yeah, it gives it a bit of like a fit flare kind of look. Let me show you the rest of it. So I don't need to move the camera down now without it like, yeah, okay, hopefully this will work. So as you can see, it's quite short. It's okay. I have to admit, it's not one of the greatest. God, even this belt keeps like slipping down now because I want it to obviously cover this elasticated bit, but it's super hard. It just keeps just sitting there. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, this dress is okay. I'm not gonna lie. It could be a bit better, but what can you do, hey? So, yeah. But luckily, it's not like clingy material in any way. It kind of does like a really nice, oh, what is that? Yeah, it kind of does like a really nice flare, so I suppose you can't go wrong. I'd probably rate this like a 6 or something. 6.5 or something. It could be better. I probably should have got it in a different colour rather than a bright pink. But yeah, it's cute, but not really my style. Right, on to the last piece. Right, and the final piece is this bow dress. So as you can see, this thing is right on my face. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but hey. To be fair, actually, I'm not too sure how it's supposed to sit. Maybe it's like that. Anyway, yeah, so it's this bow piece thing. So let me obviously show you the top again. So that's what it looks like. Pretty, just this massive big like sash-like arm coming through, obviously, then ending in a bow piece. This side is literally just plain, as you can see, bandeau kind of top. It's okay. The one thing I noticed is when I got it on, it's quite a thick material, so it's good in that sense. But it's a pretty shapeless dress. Like, it's not the greatest, but it does, I suppose. Yeah, you won't get no see-through or anything with this because, like I said, it is really, really thick. But yeah, it's literally just a bog standard, just straight cut kind of dress. Like, it gives me a little bit of shape just because it is slightly clingy, but it's not one how the other white dresses were or anything. Obviously it's quite long, so we're talking like past knee level, going down to like calf level, as you can see. And it's okay, I suppose. Like, yeah, there's not much I can say to it really. Yeah, it's okay. I'll probably give it a 5 out of 10 just because I thought I could wear this out somewhere, but this bow's massive. It just does its own thing, I suppose, and can you imagine in the wind just flapping around everywhere? Yeah, I couldn't be dealing with that. But yeah, otherwise it's okay, but I'm not too sure. It's not really I'm not really feeling it as much as I thought I would be. So yeah, so I'm happy with the rating I gave it. Cool, right, hopefully, fingers crossed, there'll be another review soon.